Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when the temperature is too low in a Haier refrigerator. So first thing we can do is adjust the fridge or freezer temperature by unlocking the panel. You can click and hold your finger right here. Do it for around 5 seconds, the panel should unlock. Then you can click on the fridge to change the temperature. The same with the freezer. You can also adjust the My Zone temperature if you want. And now if this doesn't work, there's two other things that might happen. So there's a problem with the rubber seals. If they are dirty, I recommend to clean them. There might be also a problem that you didn't fully close the doors, that's why the temperature is too low. Or the last one, there might be the power shortage. And also, I forgot to mention, you might have put the warm food, and that would also result in low temperatures in your fridge. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.